Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the vibration on your Motorola Moto G53. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to sound and vibration. Here you can set some general settings, the media volume, the call volume, ring volume, notification volume or alarm volume. And if you scroll down now, you have vibration and haptics. You can disable everything here, but you can make separate settings as well. You can enable or disable the vibration on outgoing calls, the ring vibration, or vibrate first and then ring gradually. Then notification and alarms, notification vibration, alarm vibration, and then we come to touch feedback and media vibration. If you like it to have it vibrate if you touch the buttons here or like the keyboard, then enable it. Otherwise you can disable this because I think it's a bit annoying, but that's totally up to you and your personal preferences. And then you can make your settings here. If you've done that, you can go back and then we have another point here, charging, sounds and vibration. You can enable and disable this as well, just as you like. So that's how you enable or disable the vibration on your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.